How to fix the Booking.com Genius Points missing feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is check eligibility and Genius level. Make sure that you're signed in and your stay is eligible for Genius points. Keep in mind, without even having a stay, then you will not be able to have a Genius level. And once you simply go ahead and complete your stay and then write a review, then you'll receive something called Genius points, which will be something that you can get discounts on. If you still don't have it, you want to go to your App Store or Play Store and check if there are any updates pending. If there are, simply go ahead and update it and check for cancellation of your bookings, because that will also go ahead and cause this problem. If you don't have a stable internet connection, you will definitely need one. You can try turning your router on and off. If none of it works, simply go to go.booking.com/help or help.booking.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.